Most HVAC companies lose rankings because they stop after setup. Google Business Profile Optimization is not a one-time task. In 2026, Google prioritizes profiles that demonstrate ongoing activity, accuracy, and customer engagement. Static profiles slowly lose visibility. The most common mistake is treating the profile like a directory listing. Google treats it like a live data set. Every photo, post, review, response, and Q&A interaction signals whether your business is active and trustworthy. No movement signals equals business decline and lost revenue. My top 3 practical applications for HVAC contractors. 1. Upload real job site photos weekly. Technicians, trucks, installs, repairs. 2. Publish 1 weekly post highlighting availability, seasonal services, or updates. And 3. Respond to every review and proactively manage the Q&A section. Profiles don't rank because they exist. They rank because they are maintained. Comment HVAC and we'll find leaks in your Google Business Profile today.